Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Android restrictions in File Manager. Now, sometimes you may find that your Android File Manager doesn't let you access certain folders or files. Now, this can be frustrating when you want full control over your phone storage. Now, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove or bypass those restrictions safely and easily using Android. Now, Android enforces restrictions on file access starting from Android 10 and above for security and privacy reasons. Now, there are part of scoped storage, which limits apps' ability to access all files freely. But there are ways to work within these rules or adjust settings to get better access. Now, you can use the built-in Files by Google app. Google's File app is designed to work smoothly with Android storage policies. So open Files by Google. Now, open Files by Google from your app drawer or download it from Play Store. It provides easy access to most of your files without extra permissions. Now, some restrictions may happen because the File Manager app doesn't have full permission. So how do you do? Just go to Settings. Go to Settings. Then from Settings, go to Apps. Then go to your File Manager, Files by Google, and select Permissions. So here we have permissions. Remove permission if app is unused. Just ensure storage permission is granted. So, remove permissions, or if you can toggle this to remove permissions if app is unused. All right, that's it. So set permissions if app is there. So again, also head over to permissions here, and where you have app permissions, ensure that storage permission is granted. So once you're done, if your phone runs Android 11 or later, then you can give your File Manager all file access permission for broader file control. All right. Now, you can also, if your current File Manager still can't access certain files, consider apps like Solid Explorer, X Explorer, File Manager, Total Commander. Now, these apps often ask for necessary permissions and offer better file browsing. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.